Good morning, and I want to talk to you guys about the holiday that's coming up. Shayna, what's the name of the holiday?
Passover.
Great. So one of the main things that we have for Passover is called charosets. Charosets. Okay, so main ingredient, apple. So we're going to peel our apples. I use a mandolin. Lots to clean. Shayna, are you excited about the holiday?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are you most excited for?
Dessert.
The dessert? You want to tell everybody what we made for dessert?
Yeah.
What did we make?
We made brownies.
Brownies, and there's one other thing that we made.
Mandel bread.
Yep, mandel bread. I want you guys to share with me what kinds of desserts your family makes and what you guys are doing to help your parents prepare for Pesach. So we have one apple so far. I'm going to go ahead and slice this in half so that we have nice chunks. I'm going to put it in our bowl. Can't really see yet. There we go. Our board. Shayna, I'm going to have you help me when it comes time to the honey. First, we'll do this super fast. It really doesn't take long to make charosets, and I know our family loves it, and every year we wonder why we don't make it all year round, because it really is a delicious and healthy treat. So I know the Ashkenazi make it a little bit different than the Sephardim. We keep our ingredients very simple. Shayna, can you tell them what we put in it? Look around here. What do we have?
Cinnamon.
What else?
And honey.
Yep.
And apples.
And one more thing.
Grape juice.
And, oh, we forgot this.
What do we have?
Walnuts.
And walnuts.
Nice, simple, fresh ingredients. Tastes delicious.
And
I
a
used
lot of apples.
a lot of apples to make this last a long time. Super tasty. Shayna, I'll help you pour in, or I'll have you help me pour in our walnuts, okay?
Can I do the walnuts, the honey, the cinnamon, and the grape juice?
You can do that. I like to cut this apple up. So sometimes, I know my mom always uses a food processor to slice the apples. You can totally do that. Sometimes I like to just use the mandolin because it's a little bit faster for me and less to clean. So it just depends on what you have in your house. You don't need anything fancy, but you do need to be safe. And I want you guys to share with me your favorite recipes that your family uses for Passover. Shayna, do you have a favorite recipe besides dessert? I know that you're most excited for dessert. Is there anything else? Do you want to talk about what's on the Passover Seder plate?
Well, I like everything.
You like everything?
Yeah.
Like brisket?
Yeah.
Which do you like more, chicken or brisket?
Brisket.
Okay, and what about the gefilte fish? You like that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'm glad to hear that. All right, now, hold on, Shayna, I'm going to cut this in half. Watch your hands. Woo, we got a lot of apples. This should last us the 2 days of Seder. So we have our apples, which is awesome. I'm going to flip this upside down so you can see. Now, Shayna, will you pour in our walnuts? 1 cup of chopped walnuts.
All of them?
Yep. We need 2 tablespoons of grape juice.
Can I pour it?
Yes, you can hold my tablespoons. Hold it, please. Yep, hold it over the apples.
I want to pour it.
Okay, that's 1. And then 1 more. Perfect. Let's go ahead and mix this.
Can I mix it?
I like to make the charosets a day ahead of time because I think it tastes so good. Whoa, it's all falling out.
And we're making it pink apples.
Kind of. The grape juice turns a little pink. You could use kosher for Passover wine. We like to use the grape juice though. Just depends on what your family likes. You can go ahead and do this, Shanna. You can mix it very carefully. I know I even made a mess. So it might happen. Just be super careful. You don't want to lose any pieces. Sprinkle of cinnamon.
Yeah,
You want to do it?
Yeah.
I'll let you do the cinnamon. Thank you. Let's do a little bit more. Apples and cinnamon. Tastes great. All right, we have our charosets. And right now, Shanna, do you know what's cooking behind us on the stove?
No.
In that big pot over there? Do you know what's in there? Careful.
No.
Our gefilte fish.
What?
So we've got our fish. It smells like it, yeah.
Oh, and
Fish
here's the brownies.
Oh yeah, you can lift it up and show everybody. Our kosher for Passover brownies. Next we need 2 teaspoons of honey. So we're gonna drizzle our honey inside. You can hold it. Then we mix it. That's it. Super simple. It's probably our family's favorite and easy recipe, and everyone looks forward to it on the Passover Seder. And we wish you guys health, happiness, and hopefully you can enjoy your Pesach with your family. Share your recipes.